A guide to finding your perfect gemstone. Gemstones have been sought after for centuries, not only for their aesthetic beauty but also for their perceived mystical and healing properties. Whether you're drawn to the color, shape, or energy of a particular gemstone, finding the perfect one can feel like a meaningful and personal journey. But with so many gemstones to choose from, where do you begin? In this guide, we'll explore the world of zodiac birthstones and how to use them to enhance your life. Explanation of zodiac birthstones. Zodiac birthstones are gemstones that are traditionally associated with each of the 12 astrological signs. It's said that wearing your birthstone can bring you good luck, protection, and healing energy. The concept of birthstones dates back to ancient times, with many cultures attributing specific gemstones to each month of the year. Each zodiac sign is associated with specific qualities, such as personality traits, strengths, and weaknesses. The gemstones that correspond with each sign are believed to enhance or balance these qualities, as well as provide physical and emotional benefits. The significance of birthstones and zodiac signs. The tradition of wearing birthstones has been around for centuries, with many believing in their powerful healing and protective properties. Each birthstone is said to hold specific energetic properties, such as enhancing creativity, promoting self-confidence, and encouraging love and healing. For example, garnet is said to bring courage and success, while amethyst is believed to calm the mind and promote inner peace. In addition to their energetic properties, birthstones can also hold sentimental value. Many people choose to wear birthstones as a way to honor a loved one or commemorate a special occasion, such as a birthday or anniversary. How to use birthstones to enhance your life? There are many ways to incorporate birthstones into your life and harness their energy. Here are a few ideas. Wear them as jewelry. The most popular way to use birthstones is by wearing them as jewelry. From rings to necklaces to earrings, there are endless ways to showcase your birthstone. You can also combine your birthstone with other gemstones to create a unique and personalized piece. Use them in meditation. Many people use gemstones during meditation to enhance their spiritual practice. Simply hold your birthstone in your hand or place it on your body during meditation to connect with its energy. Keep them in your space. You can also place your birthstone in your home or office to create a positive and healing environment. Try placing your birthstone in a prominent location, such as on your desk or nightstand, to remind you of its energetic properties. In conclusion, finding your perfect gemstone is a personal and meaningful journey. Whether you choose to wear your birthstone as jewelry or incorporate it into your spiritual practice, birthstones offer a powerful and unique way to connect with your inner self and the universe around you. So why not explore the world of zodiac birthstones and see which gemstone resonates with you? A guide to finding your perfect gemstone. Gemstone.